Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Arif Ardila from the Information Technology Education Study Program. Today we will discussion education in Indonesia and my vision as a prospective educator and what specific contribution I will make to improve education in Indonesia. Let's start the discussion right away. Introduction. Education plays a key role in determining the quality of a nation's human resource, including in Indonesia. As the country with the fourth youngest population in the world, Indonesia faces complex challenges in providing quality, equitable, and inclusive education for the entire community. Even though the government has set the education budget at 20% of the APBN, various basic problems such as disparities in access, low quality of learning, and lack of readings to face the digital era are still the main obstacle in realizing ideal education. One of the biggest challenges is the gap in access to education, especially between urban and rural areas. Many children in remote and disadvantaged areas still have difficulty accessing adequate basic education facilities, both due to limited infrastructure and the availability of quality teachers. Apart from that, the overall quality of Indonesia education is still relatively low when compared to other countries. This can be seen from the result of international assessments such as the Program for International Student Assessments, where Indonesia constantly ranks at the bottom for reading, mathematics, and science abilities. However, amidst these challenges, there are great opportunities that can be exploited, such as development in digital technology that open the way for educational innovation as well as the potential for collaboration between government, the private sector, and society. With strategic and collaborative effort, Indonesia has the opportunity to transform its education system to be more inclusive, adaptive, and relevant to the needs of the times. Vision and mission. As an educator, my vision is to create a learning environment that is inclusive, innovative, and focused on developing the potential of each individual. I want to contribution to forming a generation that is not only knowledgeable but also has skills such as critical thinking, creative collaboration, and communication. I will carry out various strategic steps designed to have a positive impact on studies, school, and society as a whole. Strategic step. The first, become an adaptive and innovative teacher. I will continue to improve my personal continuous through continuous learning and professional training. Second, improving the quality of learning. I am committed to providing students rich instruction which values the equality of each individual. Third, it teaching character values in learning. I believe that education is not only about the transfer of knowledge, but also the formatting of character. For play a role in the educational community. I am committed to collaboration with the fellow educators, parents, and communication to create a supportive educational ecosystem. Example of form of educational development that I can do include improving the quality of teaching through the use of technology by integrating digital technology in learning to creating interactive and interaction methods, encouraging project-based learning by creating collaborative projects that are relative to real life to develop student skill, as will as fostering students' character and moral by instilling moral values, empathy, and responsibility through character education. Consolation. Education is the main key to improve the quality of human resource of a nation, including in Indonesia. Although the government has allotted a significant education budget, obstacles such as disparity in access, low quality of learning, and lack of readings to face the digital era are still major obstacles. The gap between urban and rural area, as well as Indonesia low ranking in international assessments such as PISA, reflects the needs for fundamental educational transformation. As an educator, I have a strategic role in the overcoming dense challenge through effort to become an adaptive, innovative, and student-centered teacher. By utilizing technology, implementing project-based learning, and integrating character values into education, I can create a generation that is not only academically intelligent but also has one country skill and strong moral. Collaboration with the education community, parents, and the community is also key to building in inclusive and supportive education ecosystem. With the right strategic, education in Indonesia has a great opportunity to become more capable of high quality and relative to the need of the times. That's my views on education in Indonesia and my vision as a prospective educator. That's all for me. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.